Hi everyone! Good day! This is a 2011 Toyota Camry for dashboard for interior restoration. As you all know, this particular model, the dashboard tends to crack. There's two types. We can replace the dashboard or we can excuse me, reupholster the dashboard. On this unit, we're going to reupholster the dashboard. This is the before. As you can see, these are the it's melt, cracks, sticky. Okay. See? These are the problem. So, and also we're going to paint the emblem back to original, and the steering control panel we're going to paint. Look closely before we're going to reupholster. And the seats. Door handle cover, we're going to paint back to original. And look at the ceiling, very dirty. Okay, we're going to do videos after we reupholster and full detailing on this unit. Stay tuned guys here at PRS. Bye! As you can see guys, the other side, oh, very sticky residue, the dashboard. Okay guys, this is the finished product. I'm talking about the reupholster of the dashboard. See the quality. We remove all the factory foam, everything, before we put a brand new layer of our own foam inside, and we shave it to contour the factory and lastly install the leather. It's like straight from the dealership. And also, I'm going to show you the steering we have done. This is the after we reupholster. By the way, we're using genuine leather here. And also, we repaint the center middle Toyota logo and the controller because it's worn out already. As you can see, this is how we paint back to original. And also, the door handle cover, this plastic, we also repaint it. After this one, the next step, we also repair the aircon already. Then we're going to retouch those defective panel of the paint outside of this unit, and we're going to tint the unit after using BF film. If you like how we provide service here, feel free to message me here. We're glad to serve you always. Stay tuned for more video after we paint, retouch, and restore this beautiful Camry. Bye!